Okay, and welcome back to my vlog. It's day 2 of trying to get these bulbs into that van. I was absolutely committed to get them in yesterday, but I failed miserably. So this time I'm going to try to film what I'm doing, and let's see whether I get it right, whether I get it wrong, what my trials and tribulations are. I know it's going to be a nightmare. I know I'm going to struggle. I know I'm probably going to embarrass myself in front of camera, but we'll give it a whirl and see how we get on. Brighter bulbs, H4, please, please come on. Okay, we're going to get these things out, and I'm going to get my H4 bulb in. This is a tricky little spot, and I'm going to wear a GoPro so we can see what's going on and use those lights. I'm not looking forward to it. People tell me that I should take off, let's get this part. People tell me that I should take off this bit here. Okay, so it's the, I think it's the air filter cover, possibly. I haven't got any tools with me at the minute, and to be honest, I'm not entirely sure how I would go about doing that anyway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to crack on with this thing down here. Hopefully, let's see if I can get some light in here and you can see what's going on. Okay, I'll put that behind my GoPro. Hopefully, that's not so great, is it? Let's have a little look. Get that in there. Okay, lights. That's better. Let's get a bit of light on the subject. Gosh, come on. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to be replacing this, taking this cap off here, okay, and then removing this black cover with my little fingers. Now I couldn't get back on last night. It was a real pain. Then inside there's some electronics, and we'll see if we can see what I'm doing there now. So off fingers, that's easy enough. That comes out, which I hope you can see. Okay, that's the piece there. I take that bit out and store it somewhere safe. Now, what I was doing yesterday was taking this little sucker out here because it was getting in the way. So I just want to put that in my pocket. I'm probably going to drop this. Oh gosh, it's stuck somewhere. Let go safely. Now I want to come in and get my other hand in there. There we go, out and into the pocket, nice and safe. Okay, now what I'm going to do is take off that, you can see it, there's an electric bracket down here. I'm going to go into shade. Oh, the electrics don't want to come off. It's trying to pull the light. I don't know if you can see that, but it's trying to pull the light out, which isn't really what we want. We're trying to get off this piece here. I don't know if you can see that with the light. Get that light down there. Not ideal. I'm trying to pull this piece off here, but it's not coming off the back of the bulb as it should. Oh, there it is. Got it. Now, I don't know whether you can see in there, there's a little clip, a push. Somehow I'll move it to the left. There we go. There we go. I hope you can see all that. And then that bulb is out, the little sucker. Oh, there you go. One bulb out. What an absolute pain in the that is, and scraped all my hands on the inside. Probably, maybe better to take off the filter, the air filter cap. But you know what? That's making more work for myself, and I don't really know what I'm doing. Okay, so let's go get the other bulb, and I'll try and get this little sucker back in. Okay, there's the other bulb. I'll pop this one away like I did before. Now, be careful, you're not supposed to touch the bulb with the greasy hands, certainly sweaty hands like I've got. And let's see if we can get him back in. And I also want to see if I can put some light in a position that is easier for us all to see. Right, I've got my GoPro, so you'll see this. Now, I think that it goes this way up, so let's film this. I'm pretty sure this bit here goes on the top. So we're going to get back in here, and oh god, there's a right mess of things in there. It's difficult to put everything back together. You know what, I'm just so scared I'm going to drop these things. What I'm going to have a little look for is in there. See if I can see myself coming in. There's a few things in the way, clearly. That little electric thing is not making it easy for me. Ah, here we go. Here we go. Oh, look at that. There we go, that is fitted on there. Back round. Now I really should get this thing on first, I think. That looks like it's fitted. It's hard to tell. No, that's not gone in properly. Or has it? No, there it has now. Or has it? Hang on, no. That's not right. Oh, what was that? What was that that's just fell down there? Is that part of the bulb? Have I ruined the bulb? A little piece of plastic, I don't know whether you can see it, has just fallen inside there. And I don't know whether I've messed up the bulb there. Let's have a look at the other one. Is it on an angle? No, it is not. It is slightly on an angle facing outwards. So let's have a look. That would not be right then. How about that? It appears to want to go in there. Okay, let's go with that. That's going to go in, and that's going to go. It seemed pretty straightforward, but getting this thing pinched in was not straightforward. No. I don't know what to tell you about this. This is a tricky little part. I think it's this bit here. I don't know whether you can see that bit there. That bit just there is, I think, pushes across and clips behind something, and I just can't see it. Oh, there's my lights gone. Look. Not really helpful. Not really helpful whatsoever. Oh, it got in there. It got him. Oh, the light's gone, but I'll tell you what, that's clicked in. Now I think I can get the rest in. So let's just drop him in there so you can see what I'm doing. Let's go change the lights over and I'll come straight back. Oh, yes we are, right. We are halfway through. We got the little piece off, the metal thing. Now I've just got the plastic thing. Now I've just got to get this thing back on, and this is what caused me a problem yesterday. So I'll see if I can do it. I've got some light on the subject. Little GoPro can see, I think. And we'll get in. And we'll get into this. This was. But you never know. I did it the first time. I did it yesterday. It took ages. Who's to say I couldn't just get it straight in there tonight? What do we think? What do we think the chances of that are? Oh, no way. Oh my gosh. That's absolutely a gift. Oh, where is that metal thing? Oh, you little... Where's the metal thing gone out of my pocket? The retaining clip. Oh my gosh. Longworth, you idiot. Right. I guess we're on the lookout for that. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh my lordy lord. Ah. There it is. Gosh. Well, that could have been a lot worse. Right in my pocket. That was silly of me. Retaining clip. Back in. I'll put them on the head. Might be able to see more of what I'm doing in here. So what I'm going to do is I come around this way here, and there's a feed through. There's one. There's the other. Right. Now I've obviously lost the seating of that thing, the metal plastic thing. Of course, that's the way it world works, isn't it? But of course now we have to start all over again. Yay! Oh, there it is. Oh, it's done. Well, I don't believe it. I absolutely don't believe it. So let us see now whether we can see a difference in those lights. I've changed the bulbs over, H4s, into the main beam. Let's check them. They look like they're central. I'm going to put the lights on and see if we see any difference at all. I doubt we will. Let's have a check.